This episode of Force in Motion is going to be taken in my bedroom! Yee! We see force in motion every day. For example, someone pushing a shopping cart. But what is force in motion? Force is a push or pull of an object. In motion is how an object gets to one place to the other, like a car or a plane, anything like that. Some examples of force is kicking a ball around, playing tug-of-war. So there we have it, folks. Forces in motion. Oh, wait, don't leave yet. We still have a lot to talk about, like unbalanced and balanced forces, net forces, Newton's laws, a lot to still talk about. So don't leave yet. Grab your popcorn. Let's go. Which leads me into the next category, Newton's laws and balanced and unbalanced forces. Let's go! Ow, I hit my head. I'm fine. Next, we're going to talk about Newton's laws. Newton's first law states that an object in rest or motion will stay at rest or stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Let's take, for example, this book. I just used Newton's first law. First, this book was sitting here doing nothing. Then I was the unbalanced force that moved it. Now on to Newton's second law. Next is Newton's second law that states the acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force, and it is also related to its mass. For example, this painting has less mass than my bed. So I need less force to pick it up than if I were to try to pick up my bed. Now on to Newton's third law and last. Newton's third and last law. Here are my glasses. Every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Take example, my cat. As he lays here, gravity weighs him down, and my bed exerts an equal and opposite reaction, keeping him in place. I'm going to talk about balanced and unbalanced forces. Forces that are equal in size but opposite in direction are balanced. Forces that are not equal in magnitude and may or may not act in the same direction is unbalanced. Next topic, gravity and friction. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls objects toward each other. That's when we walk, we stay on the ground. Look. Here comes the sun. Hilarious fake following of that. Next is friction. Friction is an extreme force that opposes the relative motion of two contact areas. For example, take this little car. Say you were driving down the road and you stopped at a red light. Friction would stop your car so you could stop at the red light. Acceleration kind of goes along with friction. Acceleration is any process where the velocity of something changes. For example, if I were to run in place and continue getting faster, that is acceleration. But if I were to run in place and get slower, that's also acceleration. Acceleration can be like anything like that, whether it's getting faster or slower. Net force. Net force is the sum of all the forces acting on an object. It's basically just Newton's second law. Let me show you an example of that. I sadly don't own one of these, but this is a video of Newton's cradle. Our last subject is speed. Speed is the magnitude of the change of its position over time. Speed also has an equation. D divided by t equals s, which is distance divided by time equals speed. And that's a wrap. Thank you for learning today. Say bye, friends. Bye.